Hi, you guys. I got a little box opening here. Yeah. I'm gonna play back up a little bit. Yeah, let's get to opening it. It's just, a little box opening. Alright. Oh my gosh. What is it? What is it? It's a doll wig. Doll wiggy. Isn't that beautiful? A beautiful red head. It's got the thing over it, the netting. Yeah, let me show you more better without the netting. Excuse me. It's for My American Girl doll. Yeah, hair's getting kind of messed up, but still good. This is what the wig looks like inside. And here's the outside. It's so pretty. And it's gonna go on her. Yeah, her hair's still messy. I didn't take the wig off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I got any, we cut stuff to take her hair off, her wig off. Like, I usually use the nail polish remover to loosen the wig up. I don't just rip it off. I don't do it the hard way. I do it the easy way. But if I got any, I gotta look. But if I don't, I gotta go store, get some nail polish remover to loosen her wig up. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to do her wig until I tighten up her limbs. They're kind of really loose, you guys. Yeah. Excuse me. I'll have to really go in there and, you know, take her all apart. I'm sorry, I just want to show you her limbs. They're really loose. I'm going to have to tighten her up. Yeah. Yeah, she's really loose. I'm going to show you how loose she is. See? Her limbs are pretty loose. All her legs are pretty loose, so I'm going to have to go in there and tighten them up. Her arms seem to be okay. So, they're kind of loose, but not as bad as her legs. So, yeah, I'm going to have to go in and really tighten these limbs. They're too loose. Too loose. And then restuff her, and then I can do her wig. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use this red one. I just got it, just in case. Let me see how it would look on her. Let's see. What do you think? Think she look good as a redhead? Or, I got some other wigs. I should have brought them up. Just can't find them right now. Or do you think she should just be a blonde again? Or mixed of blonde and brown. I got this other wig that's blonde and brown. I should have brought them out, huh? I'll do another video showing the other wigs to you guys. But her hair's all messed up. And I bought her specifically, to fix her up and maybe sell her. Yeah, maybe. Or just keep her and sell my other ones. Yeah. What do you think? Do you think she will look good as a redhead? Let me show you her eyes. She's got green eyes. Can you see her eyes? Anyways, she kind of messed up. But we're gonna fix her up. Gonna fix her up good. Whoops, there she goes. This other one, I want to show you my mermaid doll. And she fell over. Her wig came loose, so I had to reglue it. I don't know what kind of glue they used, but when she came to me, her wig was real loose, so now it's on there pretty tight. Yeah, I used E6000 glue. I don't know what kind of glue they used, but her wig's on there tight now. I could see her glue on top of her head. Yeah, I glued it. I glued her hair back on. So, it's on there pretty tight now. I had to glue her wig back on. Not coming off for the life of me or her. She's good to go now. It's good to display in my room or play with. Her little things are coming down again. But this is my mermaid American Girl doll. I just wanted to show you her again. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah, she got brown eyes. I wish they would have gave her purple eyes. Maybe they thought she looked good with brown eyes. She got brown eyes, and there's all her face makeup up close. Yeah. And her whole outfit, she's so beautiful. I love this American Girl doll. She's so beautiful. Oh, you guys, I gotta go. My time's up. I just wanted to show you that I had to glue her hair back on. It got loose. Her limbs are kind of also loose, but not as loose as the other one. I gotta go. Peace out. Like and sub, comment down there what you measure on negativity. And this will flick you to the moon. Bye-bye. Love you guys.